Hey, welcome back. We got another teacher tip video for our latest student activity pack, and today we're looking at our 5th grade Force in Motion. Here's all the materials that are in the bag. This is what the bag looks like when it heads out to your students. First thing we do is we're going to set up a ramp system. We're going to use that ramp to explore different things that affect motion. So in this case, we're going to look at the different mass of a ball and different height, gravity, and how it has an effect as well. So to set up our ramp, put these materials off to the side. Students will take a piece of Post-it note, put it down. That's your start line. Take the measuring tape that's in their kit, lay it out. All these directions are in the in the student activity guide that's in the bag. And when they stretch that measuring tape out, go ahead and mark another, using another piece of Post-it note, go ahead and mark the finish line. Okay, once they got that established, that doesn't change. That's where we're going to start and where we're going to stop all the marbles that we're going to be rolling today. To set up the ramp, we take the food tray, turn it upside down, take our Hot Wheels track, and go ahead and set it up so that it is right on the end of the start line. Use your measuring tape to measure the height of the ramp. We start out with the measuring tape at 40 centimeters. At this point, we're only using the marble. And what students do is they have to have their own timing device to time how long it takes the marble to travel a meter. So we suggest students, obviously they could use the phone, stopwatch, something that they have, so that way they can time how long it takes for the marble to go from the start line to the finish line, which is 1 meter. So we'll just do one quick example here. Go ahead and place the marble on the ramp, let go, start it, and stop it. And once they get that result, they can go ahead and write that down, and they would take 3 of these trials. The sheet that I'm working on now is a student activity sheet. These are available on our website. These aren't in the bag, but these are available on our website for you to share with your students if you want them to use those. It's a nice way to capture data and also have students answer some questions and for you to get some feedback. So after the students do a bunch of runs at 40 millimeters, then we ask them what's going to happen if we lower the ramp to 30 or we raise it up to 50, get the predictions, test them out, and get the results. At that point, we have obviously a lot of good science to talk about, but there's also a really awesome opportunity here to talk about speed, because we know how much time it took to go a certain distance. So also with the student information or the student activity sheets, we have an activity sheet that is all about a math extension where students get to go ahead and actually calculate speed by knowing how much time it took and how long it took to travel. So take advantage of that, take a look at that, because it does really emphasize some of the math skills. After they do the marble, we go ahead and get the wooden ball out, weighs a lot less, make predictions, do the same test. Then the last part is they set up some obstacles on their route. So for example, they will use foam and they'll see how it slows it down, and we get to introduce the term friction. We also have a salt packet in there for them to put some salt on the runway, and they'll also see another example of how friction can have an impact on energy. So a lot of good stuff here. Hopefully you and your students have a lot of fun with these activities. Please reach out, keep us informed, and let us know how things are going. Thank you.